training as, or at least our core, sorry, as it has more than one function. Okay, we have our flexion, our lower body, our basic, we'll say our... What's going on, viewers? It's Kevin here with Turnfit Personal Trainers. We're doing a 5-part series on just some abdominal movements here. So we want to look at our core training as, or at least our core, sorry, as it has more than one function. Okay, we have our flexion, our lower body, our basic, we'll say our upper to lower flexion. Okay, our lower to upper flexion. We have our rotation, up and down, and we have our stability. Okay, so we'll just break it down to 5. Okay, we'll put 5 exercises in here that you kind of incorporate into your routine, so you're kind of hitting all those movements, making sure that your core can handle anything that you need to put it through. So we'll start off with some stability. Okay, and this is similar to when you may have seen it called a dead bug, but I kind of simplified it here. So we're just going to put the ball. This is our starting position here. We're going to have it in between our knees and our hands are going to be straight. Okay, so what I want you to do is you're basically just going to lift your legs up like this. And your legs are going to come up towards your hands and then hands towards your legs. So you're basically just going to compress the ball, press down for about 5 seconds there, relax for 2. Okay, you'll come back up, hold for about 5. And what I want you to try and concentrate on doing is pushing this down into the floor here. Okay, so as you're doing it, you're not doing a whole lot of moving, but you should feel a pretty intense contraction in your midsection when you're doing this. Like I said, your hands are nice and straight. Okay, you're just going to lift your knees up, press that ball for about 5 seconds there, and then down. So repeat that, do about 6 reps, so it'd be 30 seconds total with just the couple seconds in between there, and that would be 1 set. So that's the first one there. Stay tuned for the second part coming up.